her. I met her in Urdanitz and seen her across the trail a number of times. I don't know where she's from. I don't know her name. But I'll run into her again and then I'll ask her. But she's got hiker's rash, she called it, all up and down from her sock line up to her thigh. And I don't think I've ever seen it. I've seen hiker's rash just above socks, you know, but not all the way up the leg. So she's gonna go see a pharmacist. Anyway, today is beautiful, not raining, and that's always good. And we're off to Estella. This is the historical center of Puente la Reina. I don't think we've hit the famous bridge yet, but it reminds me a lot of Guardia's historic center. Look, somebody left their walking sticks. It's astounding how many people leave their walking sticks. I was in St. John and I saw walking sticks with the tag still on a chair in a bar, and they were there for a long time. It's just see that girl running? See her? And I have seen her not so much on the trail. She's passed me running more than once now, and it's dawning on me that she's actually running the Camino de Santiago. Let's see if they have some coffee. I think like a shot of espresso is called cafe solo. I don't know. We'll see. totally missed this stretch last time because of a storm. We were walking through flooding conditions. I just had pain shoot through my right foot. I was swearing. And then I took an ibuprofen. I was walking on a trail, very much like this one this morning. And about 100 yards in front of me, I saw a pilgrim on the road. And over to her right, another pilgrim, dropping her drawers. And I knew what she was doing. The one on the road was her spotter. And she was going to, nature was calling. So I just kind of stopped where I was, 100 yards away, and kind of looked that way, and they knew exactly what I was doing. If I ever have doubts like where I am, I'll open the Wise Pilgrim app and make sure that I'm on the green dotted line, which is the Camino. And it tells me that I'm very close to Estella. So I have to wash my clothes. They're muddy again over here on the, on the inside of the leg. It's all muddy. I like to wash my shoes a little bit. Take a shower, and then you know what's coming next. Want to know what else is coming? Rain. Tomorrow. The first albergue is mine. It's called Hostería de Curtidores, and look where it's located.